So this brings us at the end of the course application setup. Now in this course we have seen quite a lot. So we saw all the different setup features that we have to take care of when setting up new companies in Microsoft Dynamics NAV. Now to optimize the setup as much as possible, we can use rapid start services. So a very interesting set of tools that we can use in order to include standard setup data, but also to migrate data as efficient as possible. We also had a look in this course at the security system in NAV. So how can we set up users, but also very important, how can we assign permissions to users so that users can access the information that they need, but also the information that we do not want to make available for them. We had a look at number series, a very important thing to set up, not very difficult, not very complex, but very important because a lot of information needs to be numbered, master data, journals, documents. And then we also looked at the two trail codes that we can use in NAV, the source codes and the reason codes. Now, if you want to post in journals, you have to set up journal templates. So in the module on journal templates, we saw how to set up templates and how we can create multiple batches per template if necessary. Then one of the core components in the setup of the system are the posting groups. So remember, with posting groups, we can link master data subledgers to the general ledger so that the system can automatically retrieve the GL accounts on which to post, for example, sales and purchases. Now, in order to get valuable data out of the system in financial reporting and analysis, we can use dimensions. And in the module on dimensions, we had a look at how to set up dimensions and how to use them in the most efficient way by, for example, assigning default dimensions, by setting up global and shortcut dimensions, or by blocking dimension combinations. Then we covered workflow. So workflow is a very interesting feature that we can set up and use in order to connect specific business-related tasks performed by different users, but also performed automatically by the system. So we can set up workflows, for example, to notify users when master data is being changed, or workflows for incoming documents, or for purchase invoices, and so on. And then in the last module, we covered the workflows that we can use to set up document approvals. So this is a system that we can set up and in which certain users will have to have their documents being approved by other users. So typically something that you can use for sales and purchase documents. So we saw how to set up users and specify, for example, limit amounts. We saw how to create document approval workflows, and then how to use these workflows in which approvers can, for example, approve documents, but also can reject or delegate them. So this is everything we covered, quite a lot. And first of all, I hope that you learned something. I also hope that you enjoyed this course. And I also hope to see you in one of the other courses on Microsoft Dynamics here on the Dynamics Learning Portal.